So we are aggressively hiring for our Dallas office. The skill areas that we are looking at right now are product development services, our CRM services for our sister concern, Cloud Peritus. We are hiring for positions which range from architect, solutions architect, business system analysts, senior software engineers, junior software engineers with 3 years or more experience. Hiring criteria is a little bit stringent because we work on pretty challenging projects, which are most of the times from ground up. There are some projects which we have taken on where the other vendors are having a tough time or they didn't succeed and we replace them. But most of the times we are doing work which is from scratch. So it requires a special kind of skills and special kind of mindset. So I have heard through the grapevine so with some of the applicants complaining about our very stringent and maybe some of them call it taxing too hiring process. But believe me, I think it will be worth it when you join the company. We think the kind of experiences we provide are second to none, and you'll have a chance to enhance your existing capabilities, already good capabilities. And we are very proud to say that the runway gets extended by a ton. Even if you spend few years with us, the opportunities are pretty unique from that standpoint. And like I said, you get to work on projects that are ground up. Most of the service companies tend to deal with maintenance or support kind of services. Whereas here, you get to be part of conceptualizing the product or conceptualizing the solution, coming out with architecture, design of the components, most of the times reusable components, and working in a process that is designed to yield successful results. And it is evident from the rave reviews we get from our customers. And in terms of the skills that we are hiring for product development services, on the server capabilities, people who are good have developed for the cloud using Java, Python, Node.js as the programming languages. And on the front end, Angular.js, React.js, Vue.js. We support hybrid work. But it is required that either you are in the Dallas metropolitan area or willing to consider relocating to Dallas, especially for the US opportunities. In India, we are hiring for our offices in Hyderabad, Vijayawada, and we are also looking at setting up offices either in Pune or Jaipur for our CRM practice, Salesforce practice. So you are welcome to apply and explore the open opportunities that we have. So these positions are posted on our website. Either you can go to fissionlabs.com or cloudperitus.com and apply for the job postings there. We have also posted them in some of the job boards, LinkedIn. You can reach out to our talent acquisition team on LinkedIn, or you can directly send them to me too, Ishwar on LinkedIn, Fission Labs, Cloud Peritus.